already have a website living on another server, an old VPS, a cPanel box, and putting off the move because migrations are miserable? Let's make one painless. I'll take a site running on a different host, bring it onto this server, set it up behind HTTPS, and never once touch the original. If anything looked wrong, the old site would still be sitting there, serving, exactly as before. I open the Actions menu and choose Import from another host. It can bring over a WordPress site, plain files, or a database from cPanel or any server I can log into. First, I tell it how to reach the host I'm moving from. I've got SSH, the same login my provider gave me, so I enter the address, my username, and my key. If all you have is cPanel, there's a tab for that. Paste an API token, and it works the same way. And the whole thing is read only. It logs in, looks around, and copies out. It never changes anything on the old server. I click Scan the source. It logs in and looks for everything it knows how to move: WordPress installs, static sites, databases, even ones tucked inside Docker. A few seconds. And here's what it found on my old host: a WordPress site and a few static sites, neatly grouped by type. Today, I'm moving just one, my static site. It's listed by its folder name, Meridian. I pick it, one at a time. I can come back for the rest. For a static site, there's really one thing to set: the address it'll live at here. I give it studio.mydomain, and it says it right on screen. Nothing on the source gets modified. I hit Start the import. It copies the site's files across and packs them into a single tidy bundle right here on this server. For a small static site that's a blink, a bigger one just takes a little longer. Bundle assembled. Notice what it says next. It's about to open the Restore wizard to actually install it. And because I gave it a domain, it reminds me to point that domain's DNS at this server, so HTTPS can be issued. I set that record earlier, so I'm ready. The Restore wizard opens with the bundle already loaded, transferred from my old host. That's the same wizard you'd use to restore a backup. A migration just feeds it. I accept it, and it hands off to Faro, the built-in assistant. Faro lays out exactly what it'll do: drop the files in place, wire up the web server for my domain, and fetch a Let's Encrypt certificate. I read it and approve. Nothing runs on my server until I say so. And because DNS is already pointing here, HTTPS comes up on its own. And here's the moment that matters. I open the new address, and there's Meridian Studio, exactly as it looked before, now running on this server, under its own HTTPS. It came across whole. And the original? Still sitting on the old server, still serving, completely unchanged. Because I migrated onto the new box first, checked it's happy, and only then would I switch traffic over and retire the old one. No leap of faith, no downtime. The same wizard brings whole WordPress sites, files, and database together, and standalone databases too, one at a time. This is how you bring your servers home, on your own schedule.